Hello engineers, welcome back. Here I will explain working principle of congruent oil nozzle, which is pressure atomizing bypass type. Engineers, don't confuse the oil burner with oil nozzle. Oil burner contains oil nozzle and air cylinder. For more information on oil burner, please see my video on oil burner overall. The oil nozzle, as mentioned, has bypass type, which means in the written line a pneumatically controlled capacity regulating valve is mounted. When this capacity valve closes, pressure increases in the return line, which means higher oil quantity to the burner. So in maximum capacity of inert gas generator, the return line is almost closed and no oil returns to the tank. So all the oils from fuel oil pump goes to the burner. The oil gets to the tangential slots through the filter. Because of the tangential slots, the oil gets a rotating motion and oil is directed to the orifice. The oil leaves the orifice as thin rotating membrane, which is atomized just after the nozzle. The atomized oil forms a cone inside the generator, in which the top angle of the cone depends on the nozzle type and oil pressure. So here oil pressure is very important, which is controlled by the capacity valve in the return line. When the return line capacity valve closes, the return line pressure increases. So more oil is available to burner. So the oil quantity is increased. Because of this increased oil quantity, the rotating velocity for oil also increased through the tangential slots. So the atomizing cone increases. Thereby the IG capacity was increased. To reduce the IgG capacity, simply open the return line capacity control valve. So this is called the bypass control, which the oil is controlled in the return line. The solenoid valve supplies air to the air cylinder in the burner, which I mentioned earlier, which is used to block the oil nozzle after shutdown to protect the environment from possible oil pollution. You can see the spring action on this nozzle. By pressing it, it is blocking the nozzle, which is exactly the air cylinder is doing.